So now what I've got to do is change the oil filter, and we have a look. The oil filter is in there, so all we've got to do is pop the top off. We may be able to undo it by hand, but I've got a special tool because I've seen that it can be really difficult to get that off, but the tool's about under a tenner, so it's not too expensive. Anyway, let's just plonk you on the engine there, and I'll take that protective cover off. Two seconds. Oh. Oh. Now here it is. Can we actually take it off just by rotating it? It's saying rotate it clockwise, but maybe just tighten up. But normally it's anti-clockwise. But no chance by hand. You will need a tool. Let me get the tool, be right back. Now I found it very difficult to get a tool to fit this V6 engine on my C350, and basically I ended up getting one of these laser oil filter wrench 84mm by 14 flutes. Obviously the angles around the edge, and it says it's for Mercedes-Benz V6 V8 CDI. So these will actually fit and work. Basically, I'll put a link in the description of the video. Basically it looks like this, just fits over the top, and you're going to need a little bit of a sort of standard, I think that's a 1/4 inch, to just go in the top to undo it. Let's see if it works. Oh, there you go, and it's very tight. You're never going to undo that by hand. I think you can do it up by hand, that's fine. Hand tight's perfectly fine, but to undo, wow. Right, that's going to get a bit oily, I suspect. So, what I'm going to do, let's put that out of the way because I forget about it. What I'm going to do is get my oily rag, old towel, and pop it out and see what happens, see what we see. All exciting stuff. Well, you don't see much really. It's a little bit different to what I normally see. Let's pop that in here, and I'll just get you and bring you over and take a look. Oh. Right, there's a little seal. There's a little seal on the end, and it's a little bit more stumpy than what I've noticed. Don't know if you've noticed the same. You don't want to break these things, because that will, some people break the ends off by mistake. But there's the oil filter. Yuck. Looks pretty much okay inside. Don't think I really have to clean it much. Let's just clean it out. We will. You can see we've got an oil seal, not completely at the end, but one thread up, strangely enough. But I suppose that's how they fit. And I need to be able to take that off. You'll see some people have like a little hook tool to take that off, but look, I can literally pick that up. Oh yeah, look, it's a bigger area there to put the fit in. I can literally take that off with my hand. That's going to be a little bit more awkward, that little one. Is it, or isn't it? No, I don't know. I might need to get a little edge in there to take that off. Anyway, be right back and I'll just get the filter. Right, I've just got this little pair of pliers. I'm just going to nip that off because I'm not going to be using that again. And I'll just tease that over. That's the way I got it off. And can't keep paying out for all these different tools, can we? Starts getting expensive. Anyway, let's just see if I can just clean that out a little bit more down the bottom. We get our new one. This is a main, whatever you call them, filter. We'll put that there, and here's the two Oh. Right, like I say, this is all new to me. It's the first time I've actually done this. But that should go on quite easily. And that just goes into that position we explained earlier. Make sure it's seated exactly round. Yeah, that's no problem at all, is it? And now we need to put that little diddy one on. Have to be careful. Don't want to break him now, do we? He should be easy to go on. Just gentle. Don't want it to break. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Now the filter looks to be the same, as identical each side. Should just slot over the top. Have to be gentle. Oh, it clips in. Oh, I never knew that. Okay, it sort of locks in, so we have to be careful with that, to push it right down until it snaps in. And yeah, sorted. Brilliant. All we need to do now is just get a little bit of oil just to smear around here, so it's not a dry seal. Right, be right back. Right, let's put this oil filter in. I've just oiled up, as I said, oiled up the seals, and we should be able to just carefully pop it back down. And try not to cross thread it. It's just locating itself. It's coming up to the seals, so it's going to start getting a little bit tighter. I'm going to need the ratchet to sort of tighten up a little bit. Yeah, you're definitely going to need a tool for this. Yeah, there's the resistance. Can't go any further. Yeah, there you have it. Wow, all done. All I've got to do now is put the cover back on. Take care, and catch you in the next one when I'll be doing some other surfacing bits. I think I might be bleeding the brakes next, so stay tuned. Take care, Emirates.